A hot dog is the all-American summer staple. Charred just right, juicy on the inside, and ready to be topped with all of your favorite fixins. But we're not settling for basic barbecue fare. With a little help from a Studio 5 chef, your hot dog game will be worthy of a chef's kiss. Chef Todd Leonard is here with the ultimate hot dog how-to. We're already having way too much fun.
Yeah.
Because first of all, I need you to repeat it for the people. I walked out on the plaza and you said,
Hot dog!
That
You
started
betcha.
off. And then you had me gut laughing because people basically think you've opened up a hot dog stand.
Yes, they do. They come by and see. I've had at least 15 people say, man, it sure smells good. Are these for sale? So I'm really thinking about doing a food truck.
You could have made a mint
Yeah.
out here on the Studio 5 Plaza. But instead, he has preserved the condiments and the ingredients to teach us today.
So this is special because I've never done hot dogs on TV. I don't do hot dogs, but guess what?
What?
I love hot dogs.
Okay, good.
Hot dogs are the best, man. I love them. And this is really like my favorite one. So this is our Chicago dog.
Okay.
The nice green, fluorescent green relish. That's the important thing. It's not your basic relish. This is standard relish.
Yeah.
That's fluorescent green relish. So it's kind of a special Chicago dog thing. You've got to have that fluorescent green.
Look for that, okay.
So those are just nice, sweet relish pickles.
Yeah.
Plus pickles, plus the chilies, plus onions, plus sauce. I mean, it's delicious.
Yum.
Little shot of mustard underneath.
Okay.
This is what I'm calling our Utah dog.
Yes.
So that's onions, bell peppers, and of course our sugary sweet, kind of with a little twang
What
and
is it, a
spice.
barbecue sauce?
Kind of like a barbecue sauce, yeah.
Okay.
But a little bit of, our Utah sauce. And then this one's my current favorite one. This is called the Sonoran dog.
Okay.
And, hails from Mexico. Delicious beans and bacon with pico de gallo, cilantro cream, queso fresco, and cheese sauce.
What?
Yeah.
So really the
It's
hot
so
dog,
good.
it becomes a vehicle for anything you want it to be.
Yes. So
Yeah.
the whole idea is to get you, who doesn't love to skewer a hot dog and put it over the open fire?
Well, it feels very approachable.
It is camping season.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
So very approachable, very fun for the family, but do it different.
Okay.
Make it different. Look at all these cool toppings.
Yeah.
So when you go to the fire, even when you're gonna put it on a skewer, I like to score my hot dogs.
Okay.
Okay, so you just take your hot dog.
Is that for aesthetics or is that like a cooking
Okay, so
technique?
cooking technique. So
Okay.
once you score it, then you take your dog and you grill it. Look at that dog turned into this divine, wonderful, succulent, delicious treat.
Yes,
Look
sir.
how nice that is. And so I'll always present that up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you can
Yeah.
see those nice score pieces. And when
Yeah.
you score it, there is purpose. When you score it, it gives you that crackle and that nice crispy skin.
Okay.
So you want to make sure, I love an all beef dog. They're
Yeah.
very delicious. You can choose whatever dog you want, but just don't get the puny ones.
No.
Get
no.
a good dog. If
Save
you're going
those
to eat
for
a
the
dog,
kids.
yeah. If you're going to eat a dog, this is actually only 4 ounces. So that's a quarter-pound dog,
Okay.
which is a big dog.
Yeah.
But it's really only 4 ounces of meat.
Okay.
But listen, a hot dog has so much fat in it.
Yeah.
That's why we always cut it with peppers and chilies and pickles.
Okay.
So because the hot dog is kind of rich.
Yeah.
And delicious. It's like a nice little force meat,
All
really
right.
nice little mousseline.
Dress
and
us
we
up
grill
here.
it up,
What are we doing?
And it's done. So I'm gonna do my Sonoran. So look
Okay.
at these. Look at this awesome cheese sauce. So I just made a really nice cheese sauce, very
Okay.
similar to mac and cheese. I did flavor it with bacon and onions.
Oh my
So I'm gonna
gosh.
put the cheese sauce down. This is my Sonoran dog.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, put the cheese sauce down.
Okay.
Then I bring over my bacon, pinto beans, peppers,
Stop it.
onion. Look at that.
Stop it right now. Just kind of a hash.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
that
my
goes
gosh.
all over that. And actually, you can wrap your dog in bacon itself.
Mark does that a lot. Yeah.
Yep, and then put your beans. But I like the bacon and the beans together.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's not a chili dog. It's not a
No.
coney dog.
No.
This is a Sonora dog.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put my pico on there.
Oh my gosh, this is loaded.
Okay.
Loaded.
And then I'm gonna put a few fresh onions, just a little extra fresh onions.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of queso fresca.
Oh my gosh. Have I said oh my gosh 10 times?
Yeah, it's
oh my gosh.
so good. Then we're gonna take the cilantro cream, and then we're gonna take one of our fire roasted chilies,
Amazing.
and we're gonna take a little bit of our nice fresh cilantro
Amazing.
to finish that off.
I've gone
so
from, oh
that's
my gosh,
the
so
Sonoran dog.
amazing. Yes.
So we've taken it from ketchup and mustard.
Get out of town.
Get out of town. Okay. We've added our own fresh homemade sauce.
Yes.
We've created a little dog bar.
Yeah.
So isn't this a cool little family idea? I mean, this is a dog bar.
Totally.
So do a dog bar.
Okay.
Actually, it's pretty price and affordable,
Sure.
but it's super fun. Build a fire in the backyard when you're camping, or just hot off the grill. It's perfect.
Everyone needs a food thing for summer. Like one year for our family, it was s'mores, right? We like did them all the time, knocked them out, played with them, mixed them up. This could be the summer of the hot dog. Come on.
Summer of the hot dog.
Because a man in a white hat, a professional chef, just told us how to do it right. Never thought you'd be talking about hot dogs on TV.
Though, but hot dogs are so good.
Well, he has more to share, and he does, with the students down at UVU.
Yep, so UVU's an awesome program. It's been around for 36, 37 years.
Yeah.
Well known. If you have any culinary appetite and you want to do this, guess what? Dive in. You're not getting any younger. Let's get it done.
Awesome.
Come down, uvu.edu. Register for our fall semester and our spring semester. You can get an associate's degree, or you can get a certificate, or you can just come and cook.
Nice. I see what you did there. Culinary appetite.
Yeah.
They'll feed it. They'll feed it down at UVU. Thanks so much, Todd. Great job. Great job.